Softphone users that will be utilizing My E911 must be added as users in the portal. Held Plus users will be created automatically when the user logs into their Held Plus capable softphone. Each user consumes one user license. You must be logged in as an organization administrator to view, add, edit, or delete user entries. To view users, navigate to the Users page located within the Configuration menu on the left sidebar. A table will display the following fields for each entry: email or Held Plus user ID, phone number or device user IDs, first name, last name, current location, last access time. If a user has not yet registered themselves via the client or web interface, their entry will be highlighted in gray. If a user is registered via the My E911 client or web interface but has not set their current location, they will be highlighted in red. An organization administrator can click the current location hyperlink to view additional location details. The administrator can also expand each user entry and toggle between their locations and devices. The Locations tab displays the location name, address, geodetic coordinates, and location info of the user's personal locations. The Devices tab displays the operating system, device name, device model, current location, last access time, type of device, and discovery method. Locations and devices information will only populate once the user has registered via the My E911 client or web portal on their device. To add a user, click the Add User button in the top right of the user's page and complete the following fields as required: first name, last name, enable Held Plus functionality. If enabled, a field will display in which to enter your Held Plus user ID. Enable My E911 functionality. If enabled, a field will display to enter an email address and to select an identification type. If phone number is selected as the identification type, a phone number field will display. If device user ID is selected as the identification type, a callback number and device user ID field will display. When ready, click the Save button. The new user appears in the table and can be edited at any time. To make changes to a user, select Edit from the User Entries action menu. Make changes to the following fields as required and click the Save button. Note: if your user is configured with Held Plus functionality or My E911 functionality, those options cannot be disabled from the Edit User dialog box. A new user entry must be created. Users can be deleted at any time. Select Delete from the User Entries action menu. You'll be prompted to confirm the action. The user is now removed and no longer appears in the table.